try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and food category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen reviews like room size, bed type, food, amenities, facilities, and reviews, etc. Category 2. Category 3. Category 4. Next we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is outstanding. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. The bookings of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. For more details, go to the link in description. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to our channel, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet again with a new video with a new topic. So be happy.